Ready to take control of your financial future? Here's how to improve your credit score quickly. First up, check your credit report for errors. Get reports from Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Look for mistakes and dispute them. Even tiny errors can hurt your score. Next, pay your bills on time. Payment history is huge for your score. Set reminders or automate payments. On-time payments show you're responsible and help your score. Another tip, reduce your credit card balances. Pay down high debt. Keep your credit use below 30% of your limit. This can significantly boost your score. Consider increasing your credit limits. Ask your card issuer for a higher limit, but don't spend more. Lower utilization usually means a better score. Lastly, avoid opening new credit accounts unless necessary. Each new inquiry can drop your score a bit. Stick to improving your current accounts. Summing up, check for errors, pay on time, reduce balances, increase limits, and avoid new accounts. Follow these steps to quickly improve your credit score. If you found this helpful, hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell for more tips. Thanks for watching.